If you are new to Mac, then one thing for sure going to bother you is the way mouse scrolling works inside macOS. I mean, when we talk about, the scrolling in Windows, when you scroll from outside to inside, generally in case of Mac, the page goes upside. But worry not guys, in this video I will show you with a simple hack how we can fix it and make the scroll behave like Windows. For that, we simply need to go here on the top and need to click on system setting. Now here we need to look for mouse, which is bottom here. And now here all we need to do is we need to uncheck this option which says natural scrolling. If we uncheck this, you will see that now the scrolling in macOS really became natural. And that's how guys we fix the direction of scroll and make it more like Windows. Subscribe to the Mac Essential for more such tips and tricks, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.